So guys, by the end of this video you should be able to create something like this, exactly like this. As you can see, it's currently showing Google ad is showing below this. You see,
Do you want
now
your
it's
phone to
showing
be like
Google,
this?
it's showing the video ads here.
Download.
So you can see. So here is another one again, another type of guide app. This one I created it just last week. Just so this kind of app will actually generate you enough traffic, because number one, the people, the audience will want to be make use of it, especially if it's for kids. If you made it for children friendly, like this one now, I'm not a I just decide to sit and generate something stuff like this. Owe Ede Yoruba. So once the more people start reading this, the more they start using it, the more you start making money from here. Although I have not yet monetized this, so just this, and I believe that after this class you should be able to create something like this. Just take a look at this. So once you click the link in the description, it will take you to this interface like this. We are going to be making using of this app creator 24 for our first, although we still have a lot to do, but this app creator 24 we actually do almost 70% of our project. So now you sign up. The sign up is very simple. You just put your email and you put your password. That's all. So let me just quickly log in. If you want to sign up, you see the sign up here, you click on sign up. It will just, you just complete the process. But like now, I only want to log in. Let me log in my one of my accounts. So let me pause it. So this is after you log in on the interface. This is how yours will look like, but yours will exactly look at empty because you haven't started any project. So these are the projects I carry out. You can see the first one that was showing apps, the ads here, is 21 way to make money online. It's actually showing us. And this alpha space is a game app. This Owe Yoruba, just look at it. I have created many app with this. So you can see this as well. This is quiz. So but let's just first quickly create the guide one first. So those guide one, you use it for information and for other stuff. Let me show you one again before we you see this, you see this, something like this. You see, so you're going to create something exactly like this. So just take a look at it, how I design it. Everything was designed within just some few minutes like that. Let's go back. So the first thing, you see this create app. You create app. Once you come to create app, it will, the interface, it will show you exactly like this. Then the name of your app, you can decide to put any name or something like that, but now let's show you tutorial. So it's require you to add image. So no, let's select from here. Let's just select random, and by the end of the day you should be able to change it. Let me put tutorial. Let me use this. So now it's the app description. Just put a random tutorial class. Tutorial class. So you click on next. Once you click on next, it will show you the UI, the interface of the color of the interface of the app. So now you can decide to choose any color, but let's go with this green. You click on next. So now here is it now, as you can see. So the all you need to do is just create an empty app, since we don't have that we don't have the template we want to use is not currently here, but just create a empty app. Once you create an empty app, it will bring you here. So you click on go to app manager. Click on this. So now once you reach this app manager like this, your app has been created. Well, you come to sections there. You say general inform design section. You click on section, create section, click on create section. So now look at it. So now we have many templates here that if you want to use, if you want to convert a website into app, you are going to use this. If you want to, if you can code little coding, HTML coding here. If you want to create quiz app, but let's just focus on our first tutorial first. So now I am going to select text and image. Here is it. It give me different option. So which among of these am I going to pick? I think I should go with the first one. So I'm picking the first one, title and subtitle. Now the title of let's say tutorial how to create app, something like that. So now you need to think. After you think and make your research, which kind of app do you want to create? You can create as many app. You can create how to bake a cake, how to, in fact, anything educational. I advise you that you should go for anything educational purpose, because all those children app and children stuff like that, they actually generate money, not only for children. You can also go for the adults, like maybe all those WAHEC or something like that, anything education or something, anything guide like that. But I'm going to give you guys a niche. I'm going to put the niche in the in the telegram, so that you check it and pick whatsoever you want to go. So but currently now let's just go with this. Now how do you get your content to put here? You can actually go to chat gpt to get all your contents like that. Like let's let me let's go to chat gpt and see. Chat gpt. So we are here in the chat gpt. Let me write the prompt. Kindly generates me um so I give it a prompt that kindly generate me a perfect article title, how to make money online as app developer. And here is the title, here is the article. Now just this is just for example, just the basic guide on how we can generate. So let me quickly rush and show you. I will copy everything here like this. No. So I have copied it and I will just paste it here like this. The title is freelance app developments. So I will cut this. I'll put it here as title. As you can see, title. How to create okay, how to make money from app. How to make money online from app creating. So just like this. So now I will go on save. So it has saved like this. So you see I basically have one. So let me go to section 2, another section again. I'll still go ahead and choose the same. So I'll pick the first one again, and let me go to my chat GPT. The second one is pre-selling templates like this. I'll just copy this. So let me quickly rush, and this is just how you can also replicate the same thing here. So to not to let the video long, let me quickly pause it and include everything. So I'll be back now. So I have added some articles inside here. So now you are currently done with it. So we will quickly download it and see how the app look like. So you can see download button here, just download. Let me quickly download. So now the app is currently downloaded. We the app is currently downloaded, and we'll go and install it. Sorry, where is it? So here is the file. You find it at your download this thing. Then you click on install. So the app is currently installed. Let's open it. So this is the image we pick as our image then. So as you can see, here is the app, but it looks so boring. It looks so somehow whatever is being called. So here are the thing we added, everything we added. So but it just looks so boring. So now let's go ahead and make it standard. Okay, let me come back. So you come to design here and you choose font. No, not font. You come to menu type. So come to this table menu, choose the table menu, and leave it. Click on save. Come to button. No, this icon. Come to icon. You can decide to leave the icon and you can decide to remove the icon, but I don't, the like the all the one I created, I don't normally use icon on it, so I will remove the icon, but you can decide to leave yours like that. So all this now, I don't need all these thing there. I will click here, like share button. Now you can decide to leave it and you can decide to let go of it. So I'm going to remove everything. We save. Loading image. The image it display when you open the app is the loading image. Let's quickly change it. Let me change it so that we use another one. Sorry, let's just use any random image for now since it's just for tutorial. Let me pick this, and I've picked it, and I will click save changes. Sorry. Okay, I'm coming. So I changed the image. I have to remove the previous image that was there. So after removing it, I now use this. So now let's quickly go and check our app. This is our app boring. This is our boring app. Let's quickly remove it, and where is it? Let me search it from here. Okay, this is it. You should be able to change now. So here is it. Look at the image I put as a loading image, and look at its folder. So if you click on this is just the interface for now. So you want to add a image up here the way I add the image at the previous site. Just come here, come to the app here, come to section. You click on this pencil icon, click on it. You come here where it show image, you click on image. You could add any image of your choice. Let me just go to Facebook. I think I have some images here. Let me come there. Okay, let me choose this, and you save it. So it has been saved. Now you can quickly do the same. So anytime you save the image here, once you click this first save here, you ensure that you come down here and save it again to enable your image save. So now we have successfully add some images on the app. Let me quickly go and remove it and open the app again. So look at the background image now. So let me click on it. It's loading. So as you can see, it has displayed the image. Just take a look at it. So this is how you can basically create the app, and I think let's stop here for now. So if you have any question regarding to this now, you can meet us in our Telegram, and I will explain more deep about it. So in regard to the niche, I'm going to send a PDF where you need to pick your niche, and I should be able to explain a brief explanation on everything about it. But don't worry, in our next class, I'm going to explain to you. So our next class will be how we can create a quiz app, or how we can quickly create a game app, or how we can convert a website to app. So now I think between the conversion of website to app and also the game app, I think we should be able to do it in one video. So let me quickly do that now.